Get a feel for the 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This handsome Avalanche offers full-size pickup strength and practicality, SUV comfort and style, and a unique midgate that extends bed capacity. Make projects, road trips, and everyday tasks easier and more comfortable than ever before in this civilized utility vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows. Don't sacrifice comfort to get utility. Enjoy the best of both in this stylish Avalanche. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.